Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Oyewale from Octozi School of Shoemaking, where we take non-techie like me, probably like you, how to improve the craft. In this video, I will be showing light on how you can do decorative stitch like this on your projects. You like to design your project with a simple hand stitch. This video is for you. No matter the level at which you've attained so far in leather crafting, definitely going to learn something from this video. If you've not been a subscriber to this channel, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel, and if you like it, at the end of it, kindly give us a thumbs up. As I said, watch it and watch it to the end. At the end of it, I have a bonus for you. The bonus I have for you in there, you're going to get it at the end of this video. So let's go on and let's learn with this video. Go to the top. Okay, I have this right here, and I want to have, this. I want to have something like a decorative thing done on it. That's what I want to do. A lot of decorative can do with this. A lot of them, and at the end, you get it done. A lot of things you can get to do with just simple hand stitch. As you have this, and just pick the wax thread. So like this, going to be coming this way, round, this way. Coming this way around, getting it centered. Can be creative with this. This is just not the one-way thing that is available. Can be very, very creative with this. Can be very creative. At this point, all these stitching are just going to be standing as a decorative on your project. Can be very creative with it. Very, very creative with it. Can be very creative with this. Then we have it done. While you are working on the upper, kindly make sure the base too is neat, because there are many times that your project underlay might be visible. So you have to make a thing that it too be very neat. Get to see this, very, very neat. Then come over here and get this knot, just like this. We're done with this. Then get it disconnect. There are a lot of decorative things you can get to do on it. Can get to do a lot of different forms of decorative stitch on your projects. Okay, this is quite easy. Get it done this way. The same way we go about that, we're going to go about this. You're going to see that this is also going to come out quite different. Things like this, I highly recommend you use this hand needle to get this done. the hand stitch, the speed stitching might not be comfortable doing this. I want you to do this. You can see here is another round up, rounding it up right now. If you decide to make it thicker, then you can go another way in again to make it thicker. And when it's coming, it's going to come this way, this way. Going to come this way. You just think it. At the time you think it, then can then be done. Like this, like this, and like this. There are a lot of decorative hand stitch you can get to do on your project. You can have this done. So here's another one. This way can be very, very creative at it. Can be very, very creative at it. So in here, here's another one. There are a lot of ways at which you can get to fix this. Okay, coming in here, gonna do work on that one again. Coming here this way, I'll be like this. I come up this way. I come up this way too. I come up this way. I come up this way. I come up this way. Come on this way. So there are a lot of looking at this can be, as I said, try as much as possible to be creative with it. Try as much as possible to be creative with it. So coming up in here, go this way, come this way, go this way. As I said, you can be creative with it. Can be creative with it. Can be very, very creative with it. Can see all what you have been doing is going to come out in different way, giving different signature in there, like this. So right now you can see these are coming up. I can continue. You just need to be creative with it. I'm gonna get cool results out like this. Okay, right in there, we're done with it. As you can see, there's a lot of ways at which you can do your hand stitching. How to fix this. Hope you like it. I'd like you to give me a thumbs up for this video, and if you're not a subscriber, kindly subscribe. And while you subscribing, click on the bell button so you can have a notification on our subsequent upload on this platform. Okay, at the beginning of the video I said there is a plus for you watching to the end, and the plus is that I have a course down in the description column of this video. Go in there, there's a link in there, click it, which is going to navigate you to where to take a free detailed course about this, about the video you've just watched. This detailed course, it has no cost, and which comes with support. So whenever you've taken the course to some point and you need some support, there is a forum at which you can get support for that. Thank you so much. I'm Oyewale Sunday, and anything you do, never stop learning.